Greetings. My topic is impact of HSE interventions in the oil and gas industry. My case study is Gulf of Guinea. This is SSC 810 Risk and Reliability Engineering of Subsea Systems. I am by name Olaiton Oluwaseun Hako, and my student ID is TP23/24/24/H/1231. And the lecturer in charge of this course is Professor Michael Adebite. These are the goals of my presentation. I will start with a background of the Gulf of Guinea oil and gas sector, then outline HSE theories and concepts. Next, I will describe the types of interventions, what affects them, and how PPE contribute. I will discuss how we measure success, the short and long-term benefits, and what makes interventions last. Finally, I will end with references and lessons for industry roles. Background and overview. The Gulf of Guinea covers West Africa offshore areas, Nigeria, Angola, Ghana, and others. It's rich in oil and gas with shallow and deep water assets and LNG plants. Key HSE challenges include corrosion, blowout, oil theft, sabotage, piracy, and impact on fisheries and mangroves. Regulatory reforms like EGASPIN, ISO 45001, and API RP 75 guide environmental and safety standards. Theories and concepts. HSE is based on risk management, identifying hazards, assessing risk, and applying controls using ALARP. Accident model. The Swiss cheese shows accidents happen when multiple barriers fail. The domino model shows chain reactions. Human factors, workload, communication, training, influence, errors. Safety culture, maturity moves from pathological to generative, where safety is embedded in businesses. High reliability organizations and environmental stewardship encourage learning and resilience. Types of HSE interventions. Engineering solutions include blowout preventers, fire gas detectors, corrosion protection. Administrative, permits to work, job safety analysis, toolbox talks, and drills keep work organized. Behavioral programs train people to spot hazards and work safely. Environmental actions include spill kits, produced water treatment, and flare reduction. We have digital tools, we have drones, sensors, analytics, improve monitoring. Community engagement help prevent sabotage and support emergency plans. Influence on factors and PPE. Regulations, leaderships, budgets, asset age, and security pressures influence interventions. Culture matters. Supervisors and contractors must model safe behavior. We have PPE like coveralls, harnesses, hydrogen sulfide escape sets, that is the H2S, and immersion suits protect workers. Their effectiveness depends on correct fit, comfort in hot climate, and good training. Evaluations and intervention. We check impact using indicators like the LTIF, TRCF, near miss report. Audit and inspections verify procedures and equipment. Incidents, investigations, real weather controls fail. Cost benefit shows financial value, benchmarking compares to peers. Safety climate surveys and PDCA cycles keep improvements alive. We have the short and long time effect. Short time incident drop quickly, compliance improves, response drills get faster, and water quality near platforms improve. The long time, strong safety culture, skilled workforce, reliable equipment, better reputation, and lower cost. Short wins motivate people, but we must sustain them for cultural change. Success, integration, and sustainability. Successful interventions need leadership, participation, resources, and a positive culture. They should be embedded in the HRC management system, policy planning, operations, and audits. Sustainability comes from periodic reviews, updated trainings, adequate budgets, technology refresh, and partnerships with regulators and communities. I've used APA references such as UNAP 2011, IOGP 2023, API RP 75, Reasons and Hodgsons. And lesson learned, managers should sponsor HSA and allocate funds. Engineers must apply risk-based design. Supervisors should enforce permits and coach staff. Operators should follow controls and report hazards. And community officers must maintain trust and limit sabotage. Thank you.